Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Local Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 7 chapter 6 ratio and proportion exercise 6b question number 4. This one is find the mean proportional between 81 and 100. What is the mean proportional? Basically in a mean proportional you will be given with two numbers, right? Two numbers you can see 81 and 100, 0.32 and 0.08 and so on. And you can see that this 81 and 100 here, right? This will be what? Extremes. Both of them will be extremes in a proportion, and the mean that we have to find out, that will be mean at both of the places, right? So first of all, you can frame your proportion as 81. This is our first extreme is to, now we don't know what is our mean, so we assume it as x proportion, again a mean, again we don't know what is the mean, so mean proportion we don't know, so write x here, and then we know 100 another extreme, right? So write it here. Then follow the same rule, this product of extreme, product of means. So you will have 81 into 100 is equal to x square, right? So 8100 is equal to x square, right? Why x square here? Because you can see x into x we are doing. If it was x into 2, right, then it would have been 2x, but here we are multiplying it with what? X 2 times, basically the number itself is multiplying 2 times, so for that we use square. Now we'll have to remove this square to find the value of x. Clear? Because x square cannot be the answer because we have assumed it as x, right? So how to remove this thing? So x is equal to, now this square when removed will turn into square root, right? So basically we have this type of symbol for that, and inside of it we'll write a number, this one, right? Now we have to apply the brain and see what number can be the square root of 8100. What is the square root? Suppose I multiply 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 into 7, 8 into 8 and so on. Basically the multiplicand and the multiplier both are the same, right? Suppose I tell you an example, 10 into 10, right, and this is 100. So 10 and 10, both of them should be same. It cannot be 10 into 9 or 10 into 8 or 1 into 2 or so on, right? So which number do you think can apply here? So we know that 9 into 9 is 81. So if I increase 1 0 in both of the 9, we will get 90 into 90, right? And this one will be 81 and 2 zeros, 8100. So this means what? That 8100 square root will be what? 90, right? So x is equal to 90. And one more thing, that 8100 will be the square of 90, that is when you multiply 90 by 90 you will get 8100 only. Alright, so value of x and the mean proportion between 81 and 100 is what? 90, right? Let us move on to the next part now. Right, so let's move on to the next one. This is 0.32 and 0.08. Same thing, first we'll write our extreme 0.32 is 2, and we don't know that mean, so mean proportion, so write x. Then proportion, again a mean proportion, so we don't know, write x is to 0.08, right? This will get, now same rule we apply here as well, right? So we'll have 0.32 into 0.08 is equal to x square, again because x into x square, right? Now 0.32 and 0.08 will multiply basically, right? This will be how much? 8 2s are 16 and 1 5 and 2 56, right? 6 5 and 1, and after how many places here? 4 places, right? So increase 1 0, so you basically get 0.0256 is equal to x this square, right? Let's see if we can get anything here. X is equal to how much? Let's see. So over here you'll see 0.025x by which number can this number be divisible by? Let's see, is equal to, and in this sign we have 0.0256, right? Think of any number that will give you the answer. Let's see 0.16 will give us, let's say, right, this will be how much? Let's try. 0.16, 0.16 here, so 36 and 3 carried over 9, right, and that 0 will have basically no value, but still I'll write it again, 96 here. Alright, and you'll see that sorry, not here 96, because this is 1, so 6 and 1 into 1 is 1, so 16 here. Okay, and leave one space, 0, so 6, 9 and 6 is going to be 15, 5 and 1 carried over, so 256, also 4 digits after the decimal place, right? So increase 1 0 point and 0, 0.0256, right? This is coming here, this is coming here as well. So you write it as x is equal to how much? 0.16, right? This becomes our answer, and it is the mean proportion between 0.32 and 0.08. Now let us move on to the next part. So the last part of this question is 7 upon 11 and 9 upon 308. So 7 upon 11 is to x is proportion, and x again is to 9 upon 308, right? So this will be multiplied and this will be multiplied now. 7 upon 11 into 9 upon 308 is equal to x squared, right? 7 9s, can we cancel this thing? 28 and 28, yes we can. So here will be 1 and here will be 44, right? Next, can we cancel this thing? No, we cannot cancel it, right? So what will we have here? 9 upon 11 into 44, 11 4s are 44 and 4 carried over, 11 4s are 44 and 4 is 48, 484 is equal to x square, right? Now this will have we have to remove this, so x is equal to, in brackets, and here we'll have 9 upon 484. Now how will you find the answer to this? You can see that 9 is a smaller number, right? So if we know the number, the square root of that, we can find it out, that is 3, right? 3 into 3 is what? 9. So 3, so numerator will have 3. Then 484, 20 will be how much? 400, right? No, not that. 21 into 21 will it be? No. Let's try 22 now. I think it will be 22 into 22 will be how much? Let's see. 22 to the 44 and 4 carried over, 44 again and 6. So this will be how much? 484, right? 484, because 22 into 44 and 4 is 48, right? So you can see 484 here and 9 upon 484 here, because in the numerator we had found 3 and in the denominator we have got what? 422, right? So you write this thing as x is equal to how much? 3 upon 22, right? This becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.